of trying to build the world's longest Hot Wheels track. Guys, we've had to bundle up a bunch here so that we can get ready for baby Sadie to get here. Oh, don't crash it. For baby Sadie to get here, what was our Hot Wheel for today, Riley? Ooh, Mr. Papa Wheelie. I think that one came from Justin and Barbary. You tell them thank you?
Just Papa Wheelie.
Tell them thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
All right, tell them what to do.
Thanks. Thanks. Share. Share.
And?
Share.
And?
Share.
And?
Share.
And?
Share.
And?
Share.
Follow? And?
Yeah.
Subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.